In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic forwarding in Gmail. Automatic forwarding is a feature that sends a copy of your incoming emails to another address. It can be really useful if you manage multiple inboxes, but if you no longer need it, it's important to turn it off so your messages stay in one place and your account remains secure. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through Gmail settings so you can confidently disable forwarding. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account where forwarding is currently enabled. Once you're looking at your inbox, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear-shaped icon which represents settings. Click on this gear icon to open the Quick Settings panel. This panel gives you access to some basic options, but for forwarding, we need the full settings page. In the Quick Settings panel that just appeared on the right side, look for the option that says See All Settings. It's usually a text link near the top of the panel. Go ahead and click See All Settings. This will open the complete settings interface in Gmail with multiple tabs running across the top. Among those tabs, you'll see one labeled Forwarding and Pop IMAP. This is where Gmail controls mail forwarding and access through mail clients. Click on the Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab. Take a moment to let the page load, then look at the very top section labeled Forwarding. Here, you'll see whether forwarding is currently enabled. If Gmail is set to forward your emails, you'll notice an option selected that mentions forwarding a copy of incoming mail to another address. To turn this off, look for the option that says Disable Forwarding. It appears as a radio button you can select. Click on Disable Forwarding to tell Gmail to stop sending copies of your incoming emails to any other address. After selecting Disable Forwarding, make sure your change is actually saved. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. If you skip this step, Gmail will keep your old settings and forwarding will remain active. Once Gmail reloads, forwarding should be disabled for your account. From now on, new emails will stay in this inbox and will no longer be automatically sent somewhere else. If you ever need forwarding again, you can return to the same Forwarding and Pop IMAP tab and re-enable it,